Ever wondered what a blue chip stock is? Imagine walking into a high-stakes poker game. The blue chips are the most valuable on the table, the ones everyone wants in their stack. In the world of investing, blue chip stocks are the equivalent of these highly coveted chips. They represent the stocks of well-established, reputable, and financially stable companies with a history of consistent performance. Think of companies like Apple, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and IBM. These are all examples of blue chip stocks. They're typically leaders in their respective industries, known for their reliability, stability, and relatively low risk compared to smaller or less established companies. One of the defining characteristics of blue chip stocks is their large market capitalization. Market capitalization is the total value of a company's outstanding shares of stock, and it's a key indicator of a company's size and financial strength. Blue chip companies are usually among the largest in terms of market capitalization. A long track record is another hallmark of blue chip stocks. These companies have a history of successful operations and a proven record of delivering consistent returns to their investors. They've weathered economic downturns and market fluctuations, demonstrating their resilience and stability. Many blue chip companies are multinational corporations with a global presence, commanding significant market share both domestically and internationally. Their strong global footprint is a testament to their robust business models and competitive advantage. Financial strength is a key attribute of blue chip companies. They boast strong balance sheets with low levels of debt and healthy cash reserves. This financial resilience enables them to withstand economic challenges and continue delivering shareholder value. Blue chip stocks are often known for paying regular dividends to their shareholders. These dividends provide a steady income stream in addition to the potential for capital appreciation, making them an attractive investment choice for income-focused investors. Leadership in their industry, strong brand recognition, and consumer loyalty are other key features of blue chip companies. Their prominent market position and strong brands contribute to their success and stability. So, to summarize, blue chip stocks are the stocks of well-established, financially stable companies with a history of consistent performance. They're known for their large market capitalization, long track record, global presence, strong financials, regular dividend payments, resilience, industry leadership, and strong brand recognition. But remember, even blue chip stocks are not immune to market fluctuations. As with any investment, it's important to conduct your due diligence and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing. Happy investing!